Round 2 of boulder removal from the root cellar is completed. We've got the excavator with the breaker bar here, finally. So let's see what this can do. Hopefully it's big enough. This is a fancy machine. Look, it's got a little touch screen.
Oh, nice.
All sorts of widgets. Okay. Gotta punch in the code. No peeking. There we go. Fire it up. It's very quiet.
Yeah, it is.
Let's see. It's probably gonna have some pretty good reach.
I hope so. Looks like this might take a while.
Yeah, it's a little disappointing.
You're scaring me. Slowly. Things are cracking for sure. Oh yeah.
Got started, but I think I just got to get used to how this thing, how it feels and how it operates, you know?
It's coming.
my fingers.
I know, it's getting cold.
I think we should call it a night, eh?
I think so. I want to go inside.
Here's the damage for the first hour and a half of use of the excavator. It's doing all right. There's still a pretty good amount left here. I cannot believe how dense this rock is. This stuff is heavy. So I thought maybe that it was going to work a little faster, but it's a little on the slow side. But it's doing the job. It's getting the job done. The other thing is I keep going dark here. The other thing is I gotta figure out the best way to use it. And I think the best way is to have the point of that breaker bar closer to the edge of the rock and to focus more on breaking it up into smaller pieces. Because I was trying to get a huge chunk off when I first started, and it was a piece that looked like it should have just came right out within a few minutes. But no, it was really hard. So this probably will turn into a little more than a one-day rental, which is okay. We didn't really want to spend any money on a rental at all, but you can't win every battle. That's a lot of rock broken up there. And actually there's still a good mound of solid rock under here that needs to be broke up. So we're gonna get the backhoe over here. I'm gonna scoop up all this loose stuff out and keep going with the breaker bar. We still have this corner over here, but this corner is the big one, the big deal. But that's a lot of rock broken up. So, satisfied, I guess.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi. Look at that. What is that shirt? Daddy's girl. You are Daddy's girl. Boss is home too.
She was so excited to get it.
You're so sweet.
How's it coming?
It's good. You want to see?
Yeah.
Daddy, look.
Have a look.
Oh, nice. Look how much you've broken up.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing wants to come apart
Like a big chunk.
like a big chunk.
Yeah. I still have to, well, I'm going to get the backhoe now and get this loose stuff out.
Yeah,
But there's still a big mound of solid rock right under this.
I imagine.
So,
How many hours are you at?
we're at, I think I've used 4.5.
Oh, okay.
So,
Halfway for one day.
yeah. Probably going to use them more.
Yeah. Hey, at least you're making some progress.
Yep. It's looking good.
Oh, nice.
Definitely the biggest one yet.
Yeah. It's awesome.
I wonder if the rest of this will go easy.
We can always hope. Good morning. Jacob is already out here. He started with the excavator, jackhammering the boulders out of our root cellar hole. I'm headed out to help move some of these rocks out of the way, and we're hoping that today is the day that we get this finished with the jackhammer, because the excavator is supposed to be picked up tomorrow. So we've got just a little bit left here in this corner, and then we got to move over and get all of this out of this corner. So that's what's left. Hopefully we can get it all through today. it goes. We're making some good progress. This was the corner he started in. Looking pretty good, and then we're working on this last corner. It is time for the moment of truth. We're gonna do some measurements to see if we've gone deep enough and wide enough with our hole. Oh, you're way down there.
Yep. But we overdug for footers.
Yes. Someone was an overachiever.
Not a bad thing.
Yeah. I mean, that's kind of what we wanted, so we could have the footers all fill back in for the footers. Oh, good. This makes me feel good.
It's a little deep, but that was the plan. We're going to need footers down there, so the plan was to overdig a little. I might have overdug a lot, but that was the plan, to overdig and then to get the big rocks out of the way. And then we're going to compact the material that's there right now, and then we'll put this in on top of it as well to build it back up, compact it all really good, and then we can mark out our footers for the floor down there, and it'll be a lot easier to dig some nice straight footers with the backhoe instead of running into the boulders.
Boulder mess. Yeah, so we had this set at bottom of slab for the root cellar. So that's when it started beeping, that's where that is.
It's finished grade.
And then we need the,
slab.
yep. And then we need the footers lower than that. All right, let's measure it out and see.
What part? The string?
Yeah.
Okay.
See where it lands.
Looks good.
Where your bend is that 19?
Yeah, 19 and a half.
Yes. 1911.
Yeah, 11 and a half.
Okay, yeah.
It misses the rocks, so now we just need to know, well, we need the other tape measure to add add the width of the root cellar. So 19 foot, 11 and a half plus 8'4".
So 28 and 3.5 inches.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, plenty of room on this side.
Cool.
Wow.
That's way in there, it looks like.
Yeah, it is. I think our hole didn't turn out quite square.
Yeah.
So in some spots, it's there's lots more room to work with, whereas other spots it's a little tight, but it's not too small.
Right.
Wait, what? Want to do this one?
Oh, yeah.
What was this one again?
28 and 3.5.
Yeah. You're good at remembering numbers. 28, 3.5. How do I look? Do I need to go out?
Oh, yeah, a lot.
Well, like right there?
Yeah, maybe even a little more, but close enough. Oh gosh.
It fits.
Okay.
It'll work. I'm so done digging in this hole.
You are done digging in this
I
hole.
am done in all aspects. Emotionally,
Physically,
mentally. Cool.
Yeah, nice.
Now we can take the breaker bar. You want to break that up for her?
Me?
You want to see what it's like?
Oh, I don't know.
Come on. You know you want to try it out.
Okay.
We have a few minutes of time left on the excavator here before we have to pay a lot more. So we're going to use that time for Natalie to give it a whirl.
Oh yeah.
You're excited now. You didn't sound like you wanted to do it earlier.
No.
So you guys remember this rock? Very stubborn, won't come out. We're going to try it on there. And then I'll take over and after a few minutes and see how much we can get this thing.
We don't have a lot of time left.
No, we don't.
Have, what, half an hour before we have to pay for another day. So
Yeah, half an hour.
Minutes.
Plus I have to drive it down to the end of the driveway. That'll probably take at least 5 minutes.
Yep.
Let's see if we can knock the top off of this at least.
There we go.
Here we go. All you do is push that button, hammer away.
Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Nothing happens.
Oh, you gotta put the red lever down.
Oh.
Good job.
Now?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hold on. Did it change modes?
push.
It did. Look out. Okay. Now it's ready.